What day is it? It's August 5th, 2014. Can't even look at it. Now what we're gonna do. Come on. Can you see down here? Here, let me hold you up. Because we don't want to get too close, but look how far that goes. Oh my God. Should I hold this over the edge? Are we gonna lose it? Let's see.
Yeah, my oh, cool. Can I do it? If you let go, say goodbye.
That's right. So we're not. We're gonna just hold this bad boy. Let's walk over there. You can carry it and let.
This is my first time into the Hoover Dam.
That's right. This is our Daddy and Yanni's weekly adventure, right?
Right.
What is that? Look at that. Can you see everything? The ridge. Now, over here you can see the water. Here, I'm going to pick you up just for a second, but not close. See? There's the water, the river on the other side.
Cool.
See it? On the bridge. Cool. Alright, get back down. You gotta hold on to this. You do it one more time. See? Hold it like this on the edge. Whoa. Alright. Back to the Mr. Videographer. Thank you very much. Go this way. There's a water fountain. Want some water?
Yeah.
No, I do.
You hold it.
It's a little hot today. Is it cold? It should be.
Now you gotta hold it. My hands are wet.
I gotta hold it?
My hands are wet.
You don't want to hold it? Here, let me have some water. That's the bridge that we go over to the other side. Okay. Let's go over here, mister. We'll walk to the other side and look at the other side, and then we're good. Pretty amazing, huh? See that view? You see the water way down there? You can't?
Can we just go home?
So excited, aren't you? We'll see the other side. And then, here, come on, let's go. Come. Just so you can see this side. And then we'll go back. Whoa. You can see into the water. Cool.
Maybe we can float in the water because it's wearing the waterproof case.
Come here, I don't want you getting close to the edge. I just want you to look down. See down there? See the water? This is Yanni and Hoover Dam. It was a nice day at Hoover Dam. It was a little hot and humid. It rained the last couple of days, but we expect in August at Hoover Dam. A little adventure. Fun. We've done a lot over here since last time I've been. Food and gift shop. I like that little statue. That thing's cool, huh, Yanni? Look. That's how they built this place. Of course, the bridge that I took last week to go over to the Arizona side makes it a lot faster. Very cool. The Hoover Dam. That was fun. Ooh, a Ducati. Nice.